waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Tampa Bay waters. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 7:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:01 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 9 nautical miles east of Fernando Beach to near Old Tampa Bay to 44 nautical miles west of Anclote Key, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Terracea Bay, Manatee Nearshore Reef, Clearwater Beach, Old Tampa Bay, Howard Franklin Bridge, Madeira Beach Reef, Tarpon Springs, Cockroach Bay, Victoria Island, Treasure Island Reef, Passagrille Channel, Indian Shore Reef, St. Pete Beach Reef, Southwest Channel, Port Manatee Reef, Tampa Bay, Manatee 1 Mile Reef, Hillsborough Bay, Johns Pass, and Manatee 3 Mile North Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Manatee 3 Mile North Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Your coastal waters forecast.